Hi everyone, my name is Ainala Rasmi. I am from class J4 BA 1173C from Business Faculty. Matrix code 2024 to 88814. Lecturer's name Dr. Siti Nurhadibah Azman. Today, we're going to talk about the characteristic of citrus protection in the Netherlands. The citrus protection system in the Netherlands is defined by its strategic geographic location, highly developed port infrastructure, and strong integration with global trade network. Because the country sits at the mouth of major European rivers at the Rhine, most assured, it naturally became one of Europe's most important maritime gateways. Dutch sea transportation is characterized by world-class ports such as the Port of Rotterdam, the largest in Europe, and the Port of Amsterdam, which handle massive volumes of cargo, oil, containers, and bulk goods every year. The system emphasized efficiency supported by advanced logistics, automation, deep water channels, and strong connection to rail, road, and inland waterways. The Netherlands also prioritized sustainability, investing in green shipping technologies, offshore wind energy logistics, and environmentally friendly port operation. Additionally, Dutch maritime sector include a broad ecosystem, global shipping companies, shipbuilding, maritime engineering, dredging specialists, and advanced navigation service. Altogether, this feature makes the Netherlands one of the world's most efficient, innovative, and influential center for sea transportation. Sea transport in the Netherlands offer major advantage due to the country's strategic location, world-class port, and strong logistic network. The Port of Rotterdam, Europe's largest, allows the Netherlands to act as a gateway between Europe and the rest of the world, enabling efficient movement of goods at massive scale. Sea transport support low-cost shipping for bulk and container cargo, making it highly economically for long-distance trade. The Dutch maritime system is also supported by advanced technology, modern port infrastructure, automation, and deep water access, which improves speed safety and reliability. In addition, the Netherlands has an extensive network of inland waterways connected to the Rhine and other European rivers, allowing goods to be quickly distributed to Germany, Belgium, France, and beyond. The country also invests heavily in sustainable shipping, including green fuels and energy efficient port operation, strengthening its global competitiveness. However, despite its strength, such transportation in the Netherlands faces several disadvantages. Port operation can be affected by weather conditions, congestion, and delays caused by storm or high traffic during peak season. The system also depends heavily on global economic conditions, mainly distribution and international trade, such as geopolitical tension or supply chain crisis, that reduce shipping volume. Sea transport require high initial investment in parts, specifically dredging and environmental protection, which can be costly to maintain. Additionally, large ports like Rotterdam face environmental challenges, including emission, coastal pollution, and the need for continuous effort to reduce carbon output. Another issue is competition from other European ports such as Antwerp and Hamburg, which push the Netherlands to constantly innovate to maintain its leadership. Lastly, sufficiency of the sea transport system depends on tight coordination with road, rail, and inland waterways, meaning any distribution in this network can affect overall performance. The Netherlands has one of the most advanced and efficient maritime infrastructure in the world. Its system is built around major deep sea ports, especially the Port of Rotterdam, which is Europe's largest and among the world's most technologically advanced ports. Rotterdam features automatic container terminals, deep water berth, extensive storage area, oil and chemical refiners, and advanced traffic management system. Other important ports like Amsterdam, Vlissingen, Groningen seaports, and Meerderij support bulk cargo, energy product, agri-bulk, and short sea shipping service. The Dutch maritime infrastructure is supported by high-quality inland waterways, allowing ships to connect easily with Europe's interior via the Rhine, Maas, and Schultz rivers. The Netherlands also invests heavily in modern shipyards, dredging facility, offshore logistics-based navigational system, and sustainable port technologies, ensuring smooth, safe, and environmentally responsible operation. The sea transportation network in the